All right, tonight we tackled the project we've been wanting to do for a few days now. We ordered the actuator kit from Merit Automation on eBay. Great company, very well put together kit. Water sealed linear actuator motor, wire harness, everything complete. And basically even down to the Loctite you need, a little tube of Loctite. Woo, perfect. So we installed the actuator on here. So it'll raise the chute up and down to deflect how far the snow shoots. Ran the wire harness down to here. There's a plug, a threaded plug here, which is cool. So that in the summer when you're not using it, you can just unthread it, put the cap on, and this stays with the snowblower and this stays with the tractor. Ran the loom around there. Justice, my right-hand man today, he ran everything from the switch up here. Woo, perfect. So he ran the switch up to here, through here, back to here. We have our extra wire looped up there just to have it out of the way. Ran down through here. One wire went to the battery. One wire goes back here over to the plug. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. Just got to figure out where to route the extra wire. Really, that was the only challenge. Everything else is straightforward. So we're ready to rock and roll. We didn't even need the extension wire. Guess that's if we had a bigger tractor. Success. I'm happy. That'll keep it from shooting 500 feet in the air, especially when it's windy out and blows back in your face. Cool, cool. Can't wait to get some snow if we ever do.